Hello, and welcome to Hotwood College. My name is Michael Hobson. I teach on the IT section at the college, along with Naman Mohammed, who teaches at level 3, Barrington Brown, or Barry as he likes to be called, at level 3 and level 2, myself, level 3 and level 2, Shirley Thornley, she teaches level 1, and Michael Worthington, he's our technician who sets up the labs and runs the IT shop. What do I need if I want to join a course at Hotwood College? Well, should you have no formal qualification, what we would ask is that you join the level 1 course. It's a 1-year course and is taught by Shirley. If you have finished your schooling and you have 4 GCSEs at grade D or a 3, then we would ask that you join the level 2 course. This is also a 1-year course. For level 3, you would need 4 GCSEs at grade C or a 4, and this is a 2-year course. Level 1 course allows us to look at you and you to look at us. It will give you the skill sets necessary to progress through the level 2 and the level 3. So you will look at word processing, spreadsheet software, presentation software, desktop publishing. You will also do a unit called improving productivity. You will document and evidence the work that you've done at each stage, and this is an important skill set that you will need at level 2 and at level 3. At level 2, there's a BTEC course which is tested both internally and externally and has 6 mandatory units. So you will set up and configure technology systems, you will look at the technology that we have at the moment and what is to come, you'll look at security, IT solutions, database, and organizational data systems. You'll probably be taught by myself and Barry on this course. For level 3, a 2-year course, again, we are building upon the skills that we've already put in place for level 1, level 2, the skills that you've joined us from school. So we will look at teaching you in a more advanced way and preparing you for either university or for going into an apprenticeship or work. So you will look at computer networks, communication technologies. You will look at using IT to control systems. You will look at developing games. You will look at graphics and website development. The website development generally requires you to create a website for an actual business. So we're putting the skill sets in place ready for your progression. The IT department is located on the Middleton campus. We have dedicated rooms that are just used by the IT students. We have a network lab. Now Barry is trained to Cisco level and he will teach you how to install and configure an entire network. We also have a lab where you will take computers apart, rebuild them, install new hardware and software. We have a section where we look at how robots work and how we control automated systems using the IT that is available to us. It doesn't matter whereabouts you live in the borough, because we have 8 free buses that travel to and from the Middleton campus every day. They cover the whole area and will get you to college on time and ready for your classes. We want you to succeed, and in order to help you succeed, we take what is called a holistic approach. That is, we provide you with what you need. So if you get to college for 8:30, you can claim either free porridge or toast from 8:30 till 9. Also, the college provides you with access to Office 2016 via the Office 365 app, which you would just log in using your student email account. What we'll be looking for in the form of evidence. So at level 1, everything is assessed by the tutor. So you'll do the assignments, hand them in on time, they'll be marked and you'll be given a mark. Level 2, some of the assignments you will do and hand in. Some of the assignments will be what's called a synoptic test, which is like an exam in classroom situation. And some of it will be done as an online test. at level 3, this is very much like level 1, where you'll have to hit the deadlines for your assignments. They'll be marked and you will gain the marks from what you have submitted. So, to help you to understand how what we're teaching takes place in the real world, we organise trips. So we go to somewhere called Youth Fed, and which is a really important cybersecurity visit where you will learn about cybersecurity. We also have links with Salford University, where you will go to their networking lab, which is a real world networking lab. We arrange trips to Amazon to look at the automated systems that are in place that are, in essence, the future of how technology is going to be used in certain working environments. And also BT. We'll look at networking and telecommunications. So what happens when I am successful? Well, our pass rate is 94%. It's magnificent. Students who wanted to go to university, 70%, they all got in. All of them. And those that didn't wanted to go into either apprenticeship or work, again, they all got onto their apprenticeship or into a job. What does it give me? Where can I look at as far as the real world is concerned? Well, it will link, all the course links to what universities offer as far as IT is concerned. The only thing that we cannot give you is the fact what you decide to choose. Careers, it's all out there. As we've seen in the current situation, the skill sets that are needed for people with IT skills, there is not enough people out there. Nathan, he completed the level 3 course. An unprecedented D-star, 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 which is a magnificent grade. He is currently studying at the University of Salford, completing a BSc honours degree in computer science. Whilst we've tried to answer your questions, we think you may probably have other questions that you want to ask. And as this is part of the online open day, there are people that will answer your questions. Some of our department will be there for you to ask them questions. So don't hesitate, get in touch. Until then, stay safe and well, and hopefully we will see you in September.